Hi everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. Last time I made a video, just last week, I was showing you how to make the center lace panels for my Roland Poncho. Today I'm going to show you how to make the side panels. And this part's actually really simple, so it shouldn't be challenging at all. But I'm going to turn the camera around and show you how to do that. Just remember to check the description box below for a link to the free pattern, a link to my website where you can always find my latest, and a link to subscribe to my newsletter, where if you subscribe to the newsletter you get 2 free patterns, and then twice monthly you'll get an email with all the latest that's going on my blog. So I'll turn this camera around and show you how to make the side panels for the Roland Poncho. My original Roland Poncho was made in a fuchsia color of Universal Yarn Uptown DK, and for this video series that I'm working on, I'm going to be working in this color, which, let's see, what is it, 146 Aqua. And thank you very much to Universal Yarn for supplying that. It's a really nice yarn to work with. It's nice and soft, but it's easy care, which of course you want for children's things. So we'll start with a slip knot. And I'm working on the size 2, so my instruction says with my main color, which is this, I'm going to chain 14. Now, if you're watching this video because you're making the Roland Poncho, that will help you out a lot. But if you are a beginning crocheter and you're watching this video because you'd like to learn the single crochet stitch or the double crochet stitch, you are in luck, because that's just what we're going to be using, and I'll show you how that's done. So my pattern says for row 1, I'm going to single crochet in the second chain for my hook and in each remaining chain. I really like to work my first row of stitches in these back ridges of the chains instead of working through this side, just because I think it gives it a nicer looking edge. So I'm going to flip this over a bit and single crochet in this back ridge or back bump of the second chain, and I'm going to single crochet in each one across the chain. So there is my first row of single crochet, and then I'm going to turn, and this tells me that row 2 is also going to be a row of single crochet. So after I turn, I will chain 1, and then in each stitch across I'm going to single crochet. Then rows 3 through 4 are chain 2, double crochet in each stitch, and turn. So I'll turn and chain 2, and now I'll double crochet across. So I'm going to wrap my yarn first, then put it in this stitch. Pull up a loop, and through 2 loops, and through 2 loops. Alright, and then I'll turn and work one more row of double crochet. So I'm going to chain 2 and double crochet in each stitch across. Cat's here for a visit. She likes to come say hello when I'm working on videos. Hi, Stella. Had to pet her for a minute. Should we say hello to the cat? Where is she? There she is. Okay, so 2 rows of single crochet down here and 2 rows of double crochet. And then the pattern tells me that row 5 is going to be a row of single crochet. And from there I'm going to repeat rows 2 through 5 for the solid stitch pattern that makes up the side panels, and that I will work in that solid stitch pattern for a certain number of rows depending on which size I'm making. Since I'm making a size 2, I'll be doing this 60 rows of this solid stitch pattern. So basically that just means that my next row is going to be single crochet, the row after that will be single crochet, the next 2 rows after that will be double crochet, and I'll continue in that pattern of 2 rows of single and 2 rows of double until I have worked a total of 60 rows. So really the side panels are pretty simple, and next week I will be working on demonstrating for you what comes after making the side panels and the center panels, which is assembling those panels together. And after that, then you add some edging and things like that. So that's going to be it for today. Remember to check the description box for a link to the free pattern and a few other links that I told you about earlier. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you'll be made aware every time I'm putting out a new video. And I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.